All right, the temperatures are dropping, and tonight we have a fire going in our fireplace tonight for the first time of the year. And I think I'm gonna make a big old pot of chili. This is gonna be a real quick video because honestly, it's just a last minute thing I decided to throw together. So I'm gonna start off with browning my meat. I'm gonna brown almost 3 pounds of ground beef. This was on sale at our local grocery store here recently for $1.99 a pound, so I grabbed some of that. So I'm brown up 3 pounds of ground beef. I'm gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'll show you what's next. Of undrained red kidney beans. I'm going to leave the juice in there with it. This is a 15-ounce can of dark red kidney beans. Next, I'm going to add in a can or a jar of my homemade salsa. I have a link in the description box below to a video of how to make this salsa. If you don't want to add salsa, you can also pick up this. It's the Hunt's seasoned tomato sauce for chili. It's basically diced tomatoes with some flavoring. If you have my recipe for salsa, this makes it amazing. If you don't, you can also pick up another jar of salsa, but I'm telling you, this is good. I gave that a quick stir. Now I'm gonna add 1 small jar of tomato sauce. This is 8 ounces. I'll stir that up. Looking good, isn't it? All right, I'm gonna heat this to a bowl and I'm gonna boil it for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna turn it down to a simmer. Right as it is warming up, now is a good time to give it a quick little taste test. And if you feel like you need any more salt or pepper, go ahead and add that in now. That's good. I like it just the way it is. And that's it, folks. Chili is done. That was under 30 minutes. Again, if you don't have a jar of salsa, homemade salsa, you can, substitute a can of diced tomatoes or a can of rotel tomatoes. Those are really good. But it's really good, super easy. You can also make this meal in the crock pot and just let it cook all day. But if you're looking for something to cook quick, but you want that good, warm comfort food for the winter months, here's your 30-minute chili. Thanks again for watching. Please remember to click the like button if you liked it. Comment below if you have any questions, and if you want to stay up to date on my videos, click that red subscribe button. Thanks again.